How to grow and care for blazing star. Liatris, otherwise called blazing star, is a family of herbaceous perennials. These plants arrive in different species and cultivars, making them a brilliant expansion to your boundaries and landscapes. 5 varieties of Liatris. More than 40 distinct types of Liatris happen in the wild, each with its novel qualities. Here are probably the most well-known types. 1. Thick blazing star, Liatris spicata. 2. Grassland blazing star, Liatris pycnostachya. 3. Rough mountain blazing star, Liatris ligulistylis. 4. Ontario blazing star, Liatris cylindracea. 5. Tall blazing star, Liatris aspera. At the point when you plant Liatris relies upon your favored growing strategy. You can plant Liatris corms, enlarged bulbs, in the spring. Planting this blossom from seed is more fruitful when you do it in the pre-winter or late fall on the grounds that the seeds sprout well in cold and wet circumstances. You can likewise utilize a chilly definition strategy, acquainting your seeds with clammy and cold circumstances, before planting them in the spring. Liatris will flourish in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 8, however, a few animal categories can tolerate 3 and 4 with the right care. How to grow Liatris. Liatris plants grow from corms, rhizomes, or crowns, contingent upon the species. Any type of Liatris will likewise grow effectively when you start it from seed, yet the plant won't blossom until the subsequent year. 1. Set up the planting site. Liatris favors impartial to marginally acidic soil, however, it will tolerate many soil types. 2. Sow the seeds. If you are growing Liatris from seed, press the seeds about 1/4 of an inch into your dirt and cover them daintily with more soil. 3. Plant the corms. If you are planting Liatris from corms, dig an opening around a few inches somewhere down in your pre-arranged soil. Place the corm establisher's side into the opening, refill it with soil, and press solidly to eliminate any air pockets. Space any extra plants somewhere around 12 to 16 inches separated. 4. Water to layout. Water your seeds completely following planting and any time the dirt feels dry during germination. Water your corms completely after you plant them. Just keep on watering them once the dirt dries out. Care tips for Liatris. 1. Partition as required. Plant division is a strategy for delivering new plants by eliminating a piece of a parent plant that has its underlying foundations and replanting the new segment to grow somewhere else. 2. Deadhead yearly. Dying Liatris blossom spikes can drain the plant's energy, however, you can divert this interaction by deadheading your plants. Deadheading alludes to the expulsion of spent blossoms from plants to support restored growth. Use a spotless set of shears to scale back spent bloom stalks and pass them onto the foundation of the plant toward the finish of the growing season. 3. Monitor for illness. Liatris plants are impervious to most vermin, however helpless to fine mold and leaf spots when left in excessively wet and obscure circumstances. Circulate air through the plant to decrease contagious decay, or plant your blossoms in a bright climate to forestall any illness issues in any case. 4. Stake. This extraordinarily tough plant might grow in unfortunate soils. However, assuming that you grow the blossoms in especially rich or ripe soil, the tall stems might require additional help to keep them from tumbling over.